Hi everybody, Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Spiderman logo decal. If this is your first time watching my videos, I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. Based on my experience, I show you tips, tricks, and different ways to make money. Watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.